EPSM module is quite mandatory to get your ACCA membership. But wondering what this is about and want to know all the details? Then watch my video till the end. I'm Megha Bhansali, ACCA and the Indian Chartered Accountant. In this video, we are going to be discussing everything about EPSM, what it is, how do you access it, how do you go about it, when you should be doing your EPSM module. So EPSM module is Ethics and Professional Skill module, which is mandatory to be done by every ACCA affiliate to get a ACCA member status. So if you want to be called as an ACCA member, then there are three conditions. First, you need to qualify all your 13 papers. Second, you need to have 36 months of practical training. And lastly, you need to complete your EPSM module. Now, EPSM module will cost you £79. So you have to pay this fees and then you get access to an online skill module which is designed by ACCA. Now, this skill module typically has a lot of things for you. It talks about how you should be behaving in a professional environment, what are the do's, what are the don'ts, what are the ethical requirements that you should keep in mind as an ACCA. And it also talks about how to draft a CV, how to look at an interview skill. So all in all, it's a very packed module which will definitely help you get a lot of understanding and a lot of skill set which you require in your practical working life. Now, ideally, when should you be doing your EPSM module? My recommendation is, if you have completed all your skill level paper, please start with your EPSM module, because not only is it helping you in your career in professional working, but it will also help you for your professional examination, because a lot of ethical modules are covered here and ethics is tested in lot of papers like SBR, SBL, AAA. So it will help you understand lot of ethics because the module is very practical. So you will have practical scenarios and you will understand what is the ethical issue, what you need to apply, how do you go about it. So it will really help you a lot in your examination. So please complete it after you have completed your skill level or along with writing your professional skill examination. However, if you've already completed then guys, better late than never. Please complete it before you step on to your jobs and before you move on in your career, because it will really help you in terms of interview preparation, CV writing, understanding practical do's and don'ts. So that's all about your professional skill module, and my recommendation again would be that you can break it down into various days. Don't sit and do it at one shot that in 2 days I'm going to complete my EPSM module. It's not going to happen. There are about 8 to 9 modules, so you can do each in one day, and typically maximum 10-15 days you can complete your module. So that's about your EPSM module, and guys, remember, it's a mandatory requirement to get your ACCA membership. So please do complete it before it's too late. Thank you for watching my video. Do drop in a comment below in case you have any kind of queries with regard to EPSM module, and I'll be very happy to help you. I'll be back with more such content. Till then, take care. See you all.